Well, whew, it's bad. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad. Here you are. You're on the dissection table. They want to take your heart out. I'm not really sure what they think it's going to be good for, but they think that, they think it might be musical. They're going to take out your heart and see if they can use it as a musical instrument. Now you're telling them, now wait a second, I need that to live. It circulates blood through my body. And they're like, what do you mean you need this to live? I mean, did I mention these are not the smartest aliens in the galaxy? So they're like, okay. Maybe you do need this to live, but we got a solution. They think they got a pretty clever solution. So here's their solution. They're going to attach you to a spring, and so you're going to be attached to the spring, and the spring is going to bounce you around, and hopefully that'll circulate your blood so you don't end up dead. They just kind of figure, just shake you, and that'll get your blood circulating. Now, it's got to go the same frequency as your heart. But they're not the smartest aliens. They don't know what the spring constant should be. So they're trying to figure out what should the spring constant be so that they can shake you around and keep your blood circulating roughly at the same frequency your heart does. So let us start out with the formula. Now, it's important to use the period. So period is equal to 2 pi over the square root of your mass over the spring constant. So we're not trying to find the period. We know the period. We're trying to find K, the spring constant. It's a little more tricky. So I got a spring constant of 0.787 seconds. It's equal to 2 pi square root of mass. So my mass is 108.9 kg, and K is what we're trying to find. Hope this works. Okay, so first thing you want to do is divide both sides by 2 pi. And when you do so, I got a number of 0.12525, and that would equal the square root of my mass over K. Now, in order to get rid of that square root sign, we're going to square both these things. So we're going to square both. And when we do so, I get an even smaller number, 0.0156888 . You don't really need to worry about sig figs too much. Your limiting factor will be 3 here. You got 4 there. Well, I got 4 there because I'm heavy. Probably be 3. So going around there, we remove the square root, and I got 108.9 over K. Solution here, multiply both sides by K. So there's K, and the whole point about this is it gets K out of the denominator, because these guys cancel, so you end up with 1, K is equal to 108.9. Ooh boy, I got problems coming. So, we're running out of time. So divide both sides by 1001 over 0.0156888, and I get the K is equal to 6,940. I've forgotten the units for a spring constant. Well, hopefully the aliens will know. Anyway, that's the number. Let the aliens worry about the units. I'm sure they're using metric in space. I hope. Anyway, that's your K. That's what you need to have the spring constant. Boy, I hope this works. If it does, I hopefully will see you again. Bye-bye now.